So hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Quickly guys, I'm going to show us how to fix this zip right here. Okay, this front zipper here. It's a very simple and an easy method I'm going to show us. All right, so stay put. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, subscribe, share the video. I will really appreciate. Okay, so now this is our fabric. I've gone ahead to apply suit gum to the inside, the front part where I'm going to fix the zip. So this is where the zip is going to be. Okay, you can see the zip. This is the length I want to appear. That's where the length of the zip will stop, where I made the mark. So you can see this piece of fabric here. I cut it to be 3.5 inches wide, a length of 10 inches, since the zip is going to be 7 inches long, deep rather. So you see I went ahead to mark it. That is about half inch. Okay, just observe carefully and you understand what I'm doing. It's quite simple. So watch carefully how I am going to stitch this. Watch carefully how I'm going to stitch it. See where I made the mark there? I'll keep it to match with the mark on the cloth here. Alright, to match with this mark. So just watch. So I'm sewing on this side that has the gum. Watch carefully how I'm going to do this. Keeping it to be sure the line, both lines match. And I'll carefully run this stitch. Okay, trying to adjust everything because I want to ensure that everything is matching perfectly, so that at the end I'll have a good result. So I'll ensure that this line begins to match from up here. Okay, can you see this? All right, so guys, let's go ahead and begin to stitch this, but let's start from this other side rather. Okay, right, so guys, this is also my channel. It's my new channel. Okay, not patterns. On this channel I'm dropping only patterns. Please subscribe guys if you have enjoyed my videos and you want to appreciate me, want to show me love. Please subscribe to this my new channel, not patterns. All right, please subscribe. I'm teaching basically how to draft patterns on that channel. So if you subscribe, I will really appreciate. Thank you so much guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the videos there. All right, so let's focus here and finish this up. Taking my time to do this gently because I want to get an accurate result when I'm done. You don't have to rush it. So carefully trim off the threads. Now guys, watch carefully how I am going to cut this open. Okay, watch carefully how I'm going to do this. I will ensure that I don't touch the thread. Okay, even as I'm cutting this. All right, so this is my hemming gum I'm bringing right here, and I'm going to show you how we are going to use this hemming gum. Okay, so turn this to the back, to the inside, turn it over, apply some water, and we'll iron it properly. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I will really appreciate if you can subscribe. I would really appreciate. Okay, and like I said before, the link to my new channel is in the description below. Knot Patterns, please, you can click the link to subscribe to my new channel. Please show me love by doing that. All right, thank you. We are almost done here, guys. Just in the next few minutes it's going to be over. You can see that very clean. So here is where we're going to use this hemming gum now. We'll use the hemming gum. All right, yep, use the hemming gum here now. Properly, to make sure everything is properly gum sticked together for an accurate and neat result. Okay, just to trim off the excess. Now I'm still going to use gum on this zipper here, but watch how I'm going to use the gum. And the essence of using the gum is just to hold the zip in place. I'm going to divide this gum again into two. I just need it very tiny just to hold that zip in place, so that when I get to the machine to stitch it, it shouldn't move, okay, from the position it's supposed to be. So just watch carefully how we use this gum. Okay, turn the other side, that is more straight. Okay, just watch carefully how we use this gum. And you know, this gum, this zip is a kind of rubber. All right, so you don't have to press the iron so hard on the zip. You just have to just touch the iron just to be sure that the gum melts and hold the zip in place. I think that's all. If you press it too hard, it will cause the zip to melt. Okay, it will burn the zip. All right, so just so softly. Okay, so softly, you can see that. Then I'll swear this other side so softly. The iron shouldn't touch the teeth of the zip. If not, the teeth of the zip will spoil. Okay, so you can see this very simple, very technical, but easy and straightforward. See, guys, can we so have here? So at this point, this zip is almost, we're almost done fixing this zip, guys. It's just for us to go to the machine and just run a stitch on the zip. Just run a stitch on the zip, and that will be all. When you see this, so carefully run a stitch. The stitch I am running here, it's very close to the edge. Okay, it shouldn't be. Anyway, it's a choice. You could choose to run it not so close to the edge, but I want it to be very close to the edge. Okay, this my thread wants to cut. Okay, let me adjust it. All right, so let's go. So this is how I'm going to stitch it. All right, turn the other way and simply continue the stitching. Turn this way, and guys, we are done. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, Knot Patterns. The link is in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to that channel. Show me love by subscribing, please, 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 please. All right, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are almost done here. In less than 1 minute, this video will be over. All right, so thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. This is very simple and straightforward, and it gives an accurate result, most importantly. So thank you so much. That's all we have here. The next thing for us to go ahead and fix the collar. All right, a very simple sharp collar. We work on this. So you see, as simple as this, we are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching once again. Welcome to Knot Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for the comments. Thank you for the everything. Thank you, guys. Bye.